Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the game to your hands. Open training and adjust camera and ADS sensitivity until recoil tracking feels steady. Once done, enable gyroscope and set it around 50% to add fine control. Make sure to tweak in 10% increments so you learn changes. Reposition HUD elements now. Move the joystick and fire buttons toward your natural thumb paths. This reduces input delay and prevents accidental slips, which is why you're doing this, before moving on to advanced techniques. You should now focus on how movement affects accuracy. Practice short strafes left and right while firing in controlled bursts so bullets stay on target. Once comfortable, add crouch stand and peek sequences to reset weapon spread, because changing stance briefly tightens your shots. Next, drill jump shots, side steps, and sprint cancel combos in training. These increase unpredictability while keeping your aim usable. Keep sessions short and repeatable. Gradual muscle memory builds smoother micro-adjustments under pressure. You finish by locking in performance and fixing problems. Lower graphics so you sustain 60+ FPS, because stable frames equal consistent movement response. Once done, back up your layout and reset settings if controls behave oddly. This clears stray config errors. If issues persist, test on another device or server to see if lag or hardware is the culprit. Make sure to rule out network jitter before changing sensitivity again. If it still fails, recheck touchscreen calibration and clean the display surface.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.